So you've met a special lady who you want to take to bed. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to get a girl crazy for you in bed. Tip 1. Build sexual tension. The key to driving a woman crazy is building sexual tension. This means you need to seduce her, tease her, and make her want you more. You can do this by using light touches, whispering in her ear, and maintaining eye contact. The idea is to keep her wanting more. Tip 2. Focus on foreplay. Sex is not just about penetration, it's about the entire experience. Don't rush into the main event. Take your time to explore her body and give her pleasure. A woman's body is like an orchestra, and you need to learn to play every instrument to create a symphony of pleasure. Tip 3. Communicate and listen to her. Communication is key when it comes to sex. Ask her what she likes and listen to her responses. Every woman is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Pay attention to her body language and vocal cues, and adjust your technique accordingly. Tip 4. Be confident and take control. Women love a man who takes charge in the bedroom. Be confident in your actions, and don't be afraid to take the lead. This doesn't mean being aggressive, but rather being assertive and showing her that you know what you're doing. Tip 5. Don't forget about her pleasure. Remember, sex is a two-way street. Make sure to focus on her pleasure just as much as yours. Pay attention to her erogenous zones and make sure she is fully satisfied before you finish. A woman who feels satisfied is more likely to come back for more. Tip 6. Be open-minded and willing to try new things. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things with your partner. This shows that you're adventurous and open-minded, and it can add excitement to your sexual experiences.